Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that's reliable, efficient, and packed with value, you've likely had the Toyota Corolla Cross on your radar. Now for 2026, Toyota is giving this popular crossover a fresh new look and some key upgrades. And here it is. The 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross. Toyota has given its popular subcompact SUV a mid-cycle refresh, bringing a sharper design and some much-needed tech upgrades. We're going to take a deep dive into everything that's new. From the distinct front-end styling for the gas and hybrid models to the revamped interior. So grab your coffee, let's get into it. A tale of two grills, a sharper exterior. The most noticeable change for 2026 is right up front. Toyota has created two distinct looks for the Corolla Cross. The gasoline-powered models get a more rugged, wide grille design. On the other hand, the hybrid models like this one feature a sleek body-colored grille that gives it a more modern and refined appearance. The updates don't stop there. Toyota's introducing new 18-inch alloy wheel designs. The XLE trim gets a dark gray metallic finish, while the sporty XSE Hybrid boasts a glossy black finish. And for those who like to stand out, there's a new cavalry blue paint color, which you see here. On the SE and XSE Hybrid trims, you can even get it with a stylish jet black roof for a two-tone look. A more functional and tech-forward cabin step inside. And you'll find a more refined and user-friendly cabin. One of the biggest and most welcome changes is the redesigned center console. It's now more spacious and functional. In the center of it all is a newly available 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen, a significant upgrade from the previous 8-inch screen. This larger screen is standard on higher trims like the XLE and XSE. The standard screen on the base models remains an 8-inch unit. Both systems, however, come with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Top trims also get a beautiful 12.3-inch, fully digital gauge cluster, which really modernizes the driver's view. A new Portobello interior color will also be available on the XLE trim. For added convenience, cold weather package with a heated steering wheel and heated front seats is now available on the SE and standard on the XSE. Familiar and efficient. Powertrain sander, the hood, the 2026 Corolla Cross sticks with its proven and efficient powertrains. The gas-only model is powered by a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine that produces 169 horsepower. It's available in both front-wheel and all-wheel drive. The real star for many buyers, though, will continue to be the hybrid. It pairs that 2.0-liter engine with 3 electric motors for a combined 196 horsepower. All-wheel drive is standard on the hybrid. This not only gives it a bit more pep, but also excellent fuel economy. While official EPA figures for 2026 haven't been released yet, they are expected to be similar to the 2025 model, which was rated at 45 mpg in the city and 38 mpg on the highway. Safety first with Toyota. It's the Safety Sense 3.0 as you'd expect from Toyota. Safety is a top priority. The 2026 Corolla Cross comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. This suite of advanced safety features includes things like a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, and dynamic radar cruise control. Higher trims also offer blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert. The current gas-powered Corolla Cross starts at around $26,000. With the hybrid starting closer to $30,000, the 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross isn't a radical overhaul, but it didn't need to be. Toyota has taken a successful formula and made it even better, with a sharper design, a more modern and functional interior, and the latest tech. The choice of two distinct front-end styles for the gas and hybrid models is a great touch, allowing buyers to pick the look that best suits their personality. It remains a practical, efficient, and now even more stylish choice in the competitive subcompact SUV segment. What do you think of the refreshed 2026 Toyota Corolla Cross? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth car reviews. Thanks for watching.